We trade a market that is entirely probabilities and using strategies that are also probabilities. In general, trying to understand the environment with probabilities will be very difficult because there is no 100% strategy in the world. In this market, we use weapons and methods that have the highest win rate, which we call strategies. Each individual trader can have one or more strategies to trade only with them because everyone's understanding and view of the market is different and not everyone can have the highest performance and understanding in all topic and strategies. Strategies also have strict rules and limitations, and each person must enter the market with a strategy. And if the market has nothing to do with our strategy, we will have the right to enter the next strategy. That is, we do not use two strategies at the same time, step by step. Then, if the market of that day is not understandable and analyzed, we will exit. Because the strongest view of the trader is that profit and loss are the two normal principles of the market. In the gold symbol, if the entry point is correct, it will definitely give 2 times the profit. Yes, this is the best gift symbolized by gold. The right entry point must have a 1 to 2 profit in gold. The next and more important step in this world will be patience and tolerance and trust in the strategy, even in losses. Because we have to expect losses from the strategy and we are not always winners. Because there is the whole world in front of us, and to deal with them we have to reach the highest level of understanding and strategy arrive at. The last step of capital management is risk to reward. In this case, liquidation will be almost impossible. For example, in 1 month, if we had 10 trades, of which 6 of us lost $10, we lost $60 and we made a profit with 4 correct trades. Our transactions last from 5 minutes to about 1 hour because we are scalper and we cut the market to pieces to raise the win rate, and we expect a forecast of 1 to 2 hours at most, because the strongest point of view of the trader is that profit and loss are the 2 normal principles of the market. Yes, profit and loss is nature in here.